last 5 minutes.
I know.
This is great.
Okay. We're gonna get Lindsay like a succulent. It was her birthday. When was her birthday? 2 days ago? I think 2 days ago. So we're gonna get her something and give it to her at breakfast. We have a little bag and a little coaster. That's all we have so far. We need to get a couple more things and we're running late because we have a work meeting. Michaela, pick something out. Why are you going the opposite way? Pick something out.
I'm trying to. Just get her a candle.
The walk of on a mission. We're gonna get her this bag.
No pants. Oh, these pants are cute. Oh, there's so much cute stuff in here. Wow.
Greatest time of the year.
Great time of the year to go shopping.
Thank you.
Everyone's up in the morning. Let's go.
I had to get my first pumpkin spice iced latte of the year, and it is so good. Michaela did not want to try it.
Hashtag basic.
And now we're running really late to our work meeting, so here we go. To breakfast. Hey. Linz and Michaela and Serafina. Linz, me and Michaela have a gift for you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, it's so cute.
Doesn't that look like you?
It looks like me. It looks completely like me. I love the color. Thank you.
You're welcome. It looked so much like you that I thought you already had it.
I mean, I don't.
Okay, good.
It's really, really cute. Oh, it's a little coaster.
Wander.
It's so cute. I think you just squirted lemon at me. And a candle.
And a candle.
I like the name.
Cool. Yeah.
It smells really good.
Let me smell the cap. Let me smell.
Smells like a good one.
Smells like I need to get it. You're welcome.
Yay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Why are you holding your fork like that?
She wants to eat.
Okay, eat. Just eat.
We gotta go. Where's he gotta go?
Such a good boy. Starbucks for the second time today. Who am I? Okay, I gotta order. Hi, can I get a grande iced soy vanilla latte?
So the grande iced soy vanilla latte, anything else?
Yep, I'm also going to get
Small ice black.
a tall iced black.
I'm sorry, I had trouble hearing that. It was the grande iced soy vanilla latte and what else?
And a tall iced black.
Okay. Anything else?
That's gonna be it.
Alright, I'll have it right the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Babe, how do you not know what to order?
I forgot that
Look
I
at the
was
screen
getting
right now.
something too.
A small iced black. You know at Starbucks, they only go by tall, grande, and venti.
I literally didn't know what a small was. I mean, I don't care that it's called that, but I just didn't know what it was.
I wonder how the cheese Danish is.
I was thinking about that ham and cheese croissant.
You know what I
On your
had?
ass.
What?
On your ass.
You know what I had once? The tomato and mozzarella panini is actually delicious. And it's only 350 calories. It's really good. That's also $6.
Yeah, that mini croissant was like $4. I almost got it, and then I'm like,
So you guys, it is Friday night, and Scott and I just went to Office Max because Scott's phone is completely smashed. Got woken up this morning by him, and his phone was all cracked.
dropped it on the kitchen floor.
Yeah, so instead of sending it in,
Because I tried going through the insurance. I have Verizon, and I tried going through the insurance, and it was like, it was this whole thing. We were sitting there for 20 minutes. I'm like, no.
It was just like a little bit more time consuming too, because you have to send your phone in, and this can be fixed in a matter of 10 minutes at Office Max. So we're just killing time and getting some Starbucks. It's a little bit late in the night for me to be drinking coffee, but I'm gonna save most of it for tomorrow. And then we're gonna have Chipotle for dinner, which I'm really excited about. And I'm wearing my new Fenty shirt because Fenty launched a new collection today at Sephora, so we all got Fenty shirts. But yeah, I just wanted to update you and let you know what we're doing. I'm gonna get our drinks and I'll show you guys our fabulous drinks. I always get a grande iced soy vanilla latte and it is delicious. Even Scott likes it and he doesn't like really sweet drinks, but this one is pretty strong that he likes it. It's delicious. Hi guys, today is Sunday and we are going over to my brother and Chrissy's. We haven't seen them in a really long time, so we're going to visit them. And it also starts football today, so me and Scott are in fantasy football, so is my brother, and yeah, I'm trying to win. Last year I came in second place, so I'm trying to win this year. I'm going to put a little bit more highlight on. This Anastasia Nicole Guerrero palette, if you got your hands on this, then you know how pretty it is. It was limited edition, but it is like the prettiest highlighting palette I've ever had. It's like so blinding, and that's what I like in a highlighter. Blindingness. So I'm just putting a little bit more of this on. Oh, I just love it so much. And I'm gonna put a little gloss on too. Let me see what gloss I should put on. Let me do Midnight Cowgirl. Let's see what that looks like from Urban Decay. It's like a light nude. Let's do a little bit of this on top. Just in the center. It's pretty. I can hear Scott's alarm. He's in the shower right now. Huffin, you gotta stay here, okay? So that's the plan for today. We are going to go pick up some flowers, just because we haven't seen them in a while, and you know, I would love to be surprised with flowers, so we're gonna get them flowers. But yeah, that's the plan for the day. Some fantasy football, and just relaxing, just probably eating like a lot of food as usual for like football Sundays. So I'll talk to you guys once we are in the store picking out some flowers. Oh, look, these are pretty. These are really pretty. We should do these or these. What do you think?
What do you want?
Those don't look good. Oh, by the way, guys, Scott is in my sweatshirt. I bought it for both of us, but I feel like it looks a little bit better on me. It just looks like too small on you and too big on me, so.
Well, someone's got to wear it. It's just sitting there collecting dust.
Babe, I wear it like every single day.
I've never seen you wear it.
I wear all the time. I think we should get these. I like the colors of it. I think Chrissy would like it.
What are these?
I don't think they're bloomed yet. They're so pretty. How come this one's sticking up? Ooh, they're kind of expensive. Yeah?
Whatever you want. You're buying.
I don't like the flower that's sticking up straight.
I left my ticket in the car.
You did? Gotta get that. So cute. We just got a $30 scratch ticket. Because you know what? Let's test our luck. I've been pretty lucky lately.
Big money, no whammy.
Mm-hmm. Big winner. If you don't hear from us after this clip, ho, vacations are booked. We are gone. That's it.
I'm sure you'd hear from us. See?
Yeah, probably. I can't keep my mouth shut about anything. And these flowers are so nice. I think Chrissy's gonna love them. In a quarter.
It's not encrusted.
Yuck! Look at your knuckle.
So.
Yuck! Real beat up. Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that I picked up at Target that are like fall themed. So I got the pumpkin spice Cheerios. These are really good. It's actually almost empty. Can anyone else finish an entire box of Cheerios or cereal in general in 2 days? Because I go through boxes of cereal so fast. I would say 2 days and it's completely gone. I just can't have one bowl of cereal. I have to keep on eating it. I don't know what's wrong with me. And then I also got this almond creamer, but this is pumpkin spice. This is really good. I had a iced pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks the other day and it was delicious, but I got that. And then I also got this. This is a new flavor from Noosa Finest Yogurt. This is maple and it's really yummy. So I just grabbed these. I actually spent a lot of money at Target getting groceries, but I just wanted to show you a few of my fall items. It is so dark and gloomy today. It's supposed to rain all day and for the rest of the week because the tropical storm is like coming up the coast. So it's very dark in here. Scott has the day off because it's so rainy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that, and I'm going to edit this vlog. I forgot that I picked this up at Target as well. This is the limited edition scent, Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Pumpkin Scent Dish Soap. They do have a couple of different kinds. They have the mum, and then they have the apple cider too, but I wanted to give the pumpkin scent a try, so I got that. I'm probably going to do another like clean with me because I haven't done that in a while within the next week or so. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Where's Puffin? Oh, hello. Hi, baby. Good morning. How are you? How'd you sleep? I feel like Teddy's joints hurt him when it like is rainy out because he has arthritis in his legs, just like Mummy. I have arthritis in my knees and Teddy has it because he has Lyme disease because it's something that like stays with a dog. My poor baby, I know. I think I'm actually going to end my vlog now because I need to work today and I need to edit this before I go to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you all next week.